let's define what is core competencies. So, core competencies are the resources and capabilities that surprise the strategic advantages of a business. So, a modern management theory argues that a business must define, cultivate, and exploit its core competencies in order to succeed against the competition. So, how core competencies works? So, core competencies has evolved over the past 30 years, but it remains based on exploiting several competitive advantages. So, core competencies are what make it difficult for other businesses to duplicate a product or serve and then outperform the competition. Successful businesses tend to have more than one of the following core competencies, such as the quality, the customer service, the value, innovation, the marketing, size, and buying power. So, utilizing core competencies. So, a variety of resources such as a talent pool, physical assets, uh, patents, and brand equity make a contribution to a company's core competencies. Once it understands those competencies, the company can properly focus all those resources. So it may even outsource activities that are outside its core competencies. So in order to devote its resources to what it does best. So the business should use its core competencies in every facet of its operation. So from advertising to strategies to sponsorship to its reputation, the advantage will be that these core competencies will lead to longevity for a firm. So even if a firm comes out with a unique product, if it's easy to replicate, once the patent expires, it will find itself with the numerous competitors in the market, eating away at its once dominant or the market share. So to prevent this, so a company will have to rely on other core competencies such as the customer service, as I've said earlier, the customer service, the quality control, the advertising and innovation to stay ahead of the new entrants in the market. So the real world examples. So a business is not limited to just one core competency, and competencies vary based on the industry in which the institution operates. So some of the core competencies of establishments and successful brands tend to be there for all to see, which is the McDonald's. So McDonald's has a standardization. It serves 9 million pounds of French fries every day, and every one of them has precisely the same taste and texture. So the Apple Store. Apple has style. So the beauty of its device and their interfaces gives them an edge over its many competitors. So Walter Mark. So has buying power. So the sheer size of its buying operation gives it the ability to buy cheap and undersell retail competitors. So in uh, core competencies are the defining characteristics that make a business or an individual stand out from the competition. So identifying the exploiting core competencies is seen as important for a new business, making it mark or an established company trying to stay competitive. So a company's people, as I've said earlier, the physical asset, patents, the brand equity, so can all make a contribution to a company's core competencies. So the idea of the core competencies was first proposed on the 1990 as a new way to judge business managers compared to how they were judged in the 1980s. So the example of this, like what I've said earlier, the McDonald's, Apple, and the Walter Mark.